I welcome you all to topic Decodified session of Analyst IAS. In this particular session, we will discuss about the topic Neuralink. We will have this particular discussion in the following series. First, why in news, followed by about Neuralink, followed by prelims practice question, followed by mains practice question. But before we start our discussion, I want you all to be informed about a very important seminar which will be conducted on 19th of December at 11 am by Analyst IAS. And along with that, we will soon launch various courses which include Political Science and IR 500, Polity 250, Ethics 250, Current 365 and Public Administration 500. So you can inquire about any of the following on the given number, and you can also visit our official address, that is in Old Rajinder Nagar Market. So now let's move on to other topic of discussion and see why it is in news. The tech billionaire Elon Musk said his Neuralink company is seeking permission to test its brain implant in people soon. So this brings Neuralink into limelight and we will discuss about the same. First, what is Neuralink? Neuralink is a gadget that will be surgically inserted into the brain using robotics by neurosurgeons. In this procedure, a chipset called the link is implanted in the skull and it has a number of insulated wires connected from the electrode that are used in the process. This device can then be used to operate smartphones and computer without having to touch it. So this is Neuralink. Now we will discuss how does Neuralink work. Before understanding how does Neuralink work, it is best to comprehend the science behind the human brain. The brain consists of neurons that transmit signals to cells in the body, including muscle, nerve, gland and other neuron cells. And every neuron is made up of three parts called the dendrite, the soma or the cell body and the axon. Each of these parts has its own function and the dendrites receive the signal. The soma processes these signals and the axons then transmit the signal to the other cell. The neurons are connected to one another by the synapses which release neurotransmitter. These chemical substances are then sent to another neuron's cell's dendrite, causing the flow of the current across the neuron. So this is how our brain works. Now we will see how the Neuralink works. The electrode that are a part of the Neuralink will read these electrical signals that are produced by several neurons in the brain. The signals are then outputted in the form of an action or movement. And according to the company's website, the device is implanted directly in the brain because placing it outside the head will not detect the signal produced by the brain accurately. So this is how Neuralink works. Moving further, we will discuss what does Neuralink do. Neuralink can be used to operate encephalopathy. It can be used as a connection between the human brain and technology. This means that the people with paralysis can easily operate their phone and computer directly with their brain. Its main purpose is to help people to communicate through text or voice messages. And of course, Neuralink is not limited to that. It can also be used to draw pictures, take photographs and do other activities. So this is what Neuralink do, but there are also a lot of things which Neuralink can do. With this particular progress, we will see that how it will change our world. So with this, we end this particular topic. Now moving further toward our prelims practice question. The question says, which acid is found in ants? A. Formic acid, B. Oxalic acid, C. Sulfuric acid and D. Acetic acid. You have to pick up the correct statement and write it in comment box. I will answer this particular question in my next video. Now we will discuss our yesterday's question. The question said, recently the Reserve Bank of India indicated that it will soon commence limited pilot launches of e-rupee or central bank digital currency. Consider the following statement in this context. First, e-rupee is same as a fiat currency and is exchangeable 1-to-1 with fiat currency. Second, it can be accepted as a medium of payment and legal tender and a safe store of value. Third, the digital rupee would appear as an asset on a central bank's balance sheet. So the correct answer for this particular question is A, that is 1 and 2 only. Moving further toward our mains practice question, the question says, Starlink will change the internet connectivity. Discuss the utility of the project in bringing remote connectivity. You have to answer this particular question in 250 words. Write your answer and send it to us on our WhatsApp number to get it reviewed. So this is all for today. Stay tuned with Analyst IAS to get further update. Thank you.